So I'll be showing you how to hide your Instagram stories from someone or from some people. So simply launch the Instagram app and then tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. That takes you to your profile page, and then tap on the three-line button in the top right corner and then select Settings and Privacy. Under Settings and Privacy, if you scroll down, you should see Hide Story and Live. Tap on that. And then you can tap on Hide Story and Live From. Just tap on that. And here you're going to get suggestions. And you can choose the people you want to hide your stories from. So once you choose whoever you want to hide your stories from, and you can choose as many people as you want. Once you choose someone, by tapping on that check mark, they're going to be listed at the top of the list. Now, if you're looking for someone specific, then you can use the search function, type the name, find them, and then check that little circle next to their name. And then when you're done, just tap on done in the top right corner to save those changes. So now those people will not see your Instagram stories that you're going to post from now moving forward. Now, this might not work very well retrospectively. So if you had already posted a story, then those people you've hidden your stories from might still be able to see the previous stories that you had posted before changing this setting. Okay, so as you can see, we have 4 people we are hiding our stories from. Those people will not see stories I post from now moving forward. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.